Welcome to Graph Tutorials. In today's video, you will learn poster design in Photoshop. So this is the poster we are going to work on today. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. And make sure you watch this video to the end and don't skip any parts so that you will learn how I did everything you are seeing on this poster. Okay, so let's start. So to start, you need to get a Photoshop CC, so you can use any Photoshop version you like. All of them work very fine. So I'm using Photoshop 2019. Okay, so you can use any CC version you like, any Photoshop you like at all will work very fine. So let's go. To start, we need to create a new workspace. So to do so, open your Photoshop. Once it's open, you go to File, New. So I'll be using 4x5 inches. So let's name this Poster Design Part 3. Okay, so let me hit Create. So our workspace has been created. So I need to expand this background size so that it will be more bigger. So to do so, hold Ctrl and Alt, then press I. While holding down the three, like the two keys, hold Ctrl and Alt, then press I on the keyboard, or you can actually go this and go to this image size, simple, then change this to 10 so that this will increase to. Press OK, and then zoom out. So let's start bringing in the resources I used for the project. I will embed link in the description below so that you'll be able to download all the resources I used for this project. Okay, so let's bring them in. Let me bring in the background I used and everything. So I use this. Let me bring this in. Keep it somewhere here. Okay, then I use this too. Keep this over here. So I'll keep this down here. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. Ctrl J. So take the one down, take it up a little bit, or let's delete it. Let's work on the background first before I duplicate it. I want to get something. Press Enter. Drag this down. Make sure this is on the picture. This should be on the picture. Ctrl T. Increase it a little bit. Press Enter. So let's add a layer mask. Go to this place, adjustment layer, and add layer mask. Adjustment layer area. So grab your brush tool. Make sure your brush is in soft rounded brush. Right click, make sure it's not in hard. Hardness is 0. Press Enter. Then use the bracket key on your keyboard and increase and adjust the brush size, or you can actually do it from here. You can increase the brush size from here too. So I prefer using the bracket button. Okay, beside P on your keyboard. Beside P on your keyboard. Okay, so let's clean this. Let's blend this in. Okay, so let's go to this place. Select this ellipse tool. Hold Shift as you drag it. Okay, keep it somewhere here like this. Think this is okay like this. Then change this color to click on this box. Click on it. Let's pick a milky yellow, milky color yellow, something like. Okay, yeah, I think this is better. So I think this is better. You don't need pure white. Just see the color code F1DDA2. Okay, once you enter this color code, you get exact color you are seeing here. Okay, so press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. Hold Shift and Alt. Press Ctrl T first. Hold Shift and Alt. Drag this down so that this will come inside like this. Press Enter. Let's change this to pure white for now. Okay. Let's increase it a little bit. Hold Shift and Alt and drag. I think this is okay. So let's bring in this background and clip it inside this shape. Press Enter. I click on it, create a clipping mask. So this is it. Go to File, Blur, Motion Blur. So this is what I want to get. I think this is okay. So my most distance is 82. Okay. Press OK. So let's save. Ctrl S to save. Always save your work so that if your Photoshop crashes or if anything happens, you will lose your work. Okay. So let's hide this. I want to blend this sky to this background. Okay. So let's put this. Let's find a good blending mode and add it. Let me, since the screen, yes. So let's use this screen. I think the screen is okay. So okay. Or should we leave it in normal? Okay, let's look for another. Highlight is too much. Soft light is lightening. I think we should go with this lightening. I think this lightening is better. Let's go with it. Ctrl S to save. So I want this. Okay, let me hide this and show you something. I want this area to come down. Okay, so I want to bring it down here. This is what I wanted to do at the beginning, but I want us to get here so that you understand what I want to do here. So I want this area to be down here. So as I shift this thing down, what I will do to cover this area is to copy copy part of this background and place it on top here. So to do so, go over to this rectangle marquee tool, select this side, right click and copy via layer. Okay, so we have created a different layer for it. See it? So Ctrl T, then increase it a little bit, hold Shift and drag it. Okay, you see we have covered this place. So this, if you look at this, you see a line on this. So if you want to remove this line, add a layer mask to this, grab your brush tool. Okay, so grab your brush tool, reduce the brush size using the bracket button beside P and blend in this. Make sure your foreground is in black while this place is in white. Okay, and blend it in. Okay, Ctrl T, hold Shift and drag and cover it. Okay, so I think this is better now. So let's merge this, merge the two background, hold Shift, select the two. Okay, hold Ctrl and select the two and merge them. Okay, merge the layer and go to File, Blur, Motion Blur. See it? This is what I want to get. Press OK. Then enable this back. I think everything is looking cool. Okay, Ctrl S to save. So next thing we'll do is to start bringing in the picture. Let me lighten this thing a little bit. It's too I think this is better. Ctrl S to save. So let's start bringing in the images I used for the project. Let me reduce this. Select the two. Press Ctrl T. Hold Shift and Alt. Then let's reduce. Then bring it to the middle, to the center like this. Take this better now. Ctrl S to save. So let's bring in all the images I used for the project. So I've already worked on the images. I've removed the background, and the link to download all the images will be in the description below. Okay, so let me select all the images. Hold Ctrl, select all the images. I've removed the background. These two, let's drag all of them inside. Enter. Delete this. So let's hide all the images. Okay, so it's remaining one image. So let's look for it. I think this is it. So let's bring this in first. So this should be here. Ctrl T. Increase the size a little bit, Press Enter. So let's let me look for the second image. Okay, it's here. So this is the second image. Keep it somewhere here. The next image should just keep it somewhere here. Ctrl T to reduce the size so that all of them will be the same. They have the same height and size. Okay. So this is good. Let me shift this to be in the middle. So it's okay like this. Let me enable the next image. This should be here. Ctrl T. Ctrl T. This is okay. Ctrl S to save. Always save your work. Okay. Let me enable the next picture. Okay, let me bring it in. It's not on the layer. So this is the image. So keep it somewhere here. Keep it somewhere here. Ctrl T. Increase the size a little. Ctrl T, increase the size of this. Ctrl T, increase the size, okay, decrease the size a little. Okay, so I want them to be well organized. Okay, select this too. Ctrl T, reduce the size. Ctrl S to save. So let me bring in the last two images. Okay, they're already here. So let me arrange them very well. Drag it down so that it will be at the back of the image. Ctrl T. So I want this to be here. So this is good. Select these two. Bring it down here. Ctrl T. Ctrl T. reduce the size of this. Control T, reduce the size of this too. Bring this down. So I think this is good. This is cool now. Okay. So Control T, select this one. Control T, increase the size. So I'm arranging this image. That's why I'm taking time to do it, so that you learn how to arrange your images. Okay. Bring this down. Bring this down. Bring this down. Bring this down. I think. Yeah, good. I want to know. Okay. Take this up a little, a little, a little. Take this up a little. Take this up a little. So let me brighten this image. It's kind of dark, so press Ctrl M on your keyboard, Ctrl M to brighten the image. Okay, Ctrl S to save. So the next thing we do is to add a layer mask to these images. Add layer mask to all of them, so that we can be able to work on each and every one of them. Okay, Ctrl S to save. So let's cut all the images. Okay, so that it will be something like this. So let's start from here. Grab your brush tool. Okay, first hold Ctrl and click on this circle, the big circle. Okay, so as you have selected it, grab this polygonal lasso tool. Right click on this, select inverse, so that it selects the outside of this image. Okay, then go to the first image, select the layer mask, grab your brush tool, make sure the foreground is in black, then blend this in, so that you'll be seeing so that this the remaining part of the image will go out. It's in this layer mask, but I just hid it in this layer mask. Okay, so let me blend this into. Okay, blend this in, blend this in, blend this in, blend this in, then blend this into. Okay, Ctrl D to deselect. So let's select the inner circle, the small circle. Hold Ctrl and click on this. Then I'll be cleaning these two images. Okay, so this one is already selected, so I'll be cleaning this. Then I'll clean this too. Okay, Ctrl D to deselect. Ctrl S to save. So you see what I just did here? So I think this is good. This is good now. Let's group all the circle and image. So select the first image, hold shift and select this circle, Ctrl G to group. So write it image. Okay, I think this is good. Ctrl T for 3 transform, increase the size. Press enter. Ctrl S to save. So let's work on the tests. Let's work on the tests. So let me type in the tests here. find Control T, increase it a little bit, find your let me use Nexa board spiritual. Control T, increase the size. Let me change the font. Bonita. So this is the font I used. Control T, decrease the size of this. Keep it somewhere here. Enter. So let's type in this home. Control T, press enter. Take this up, reduce the size, enter. So this is good. Control T. Select all the layers. To select all the layers, hold Shift and select the tray. So drag this down. Okay, see what we'll do. We need to separate this circle from the image so that we'll be able to apply anything on the circle differently. Okay, so I've moved it out from the image. So let's group him. So let's write a circle. So I want this text, Control G to group it to. Let's write a text. I want it to be in between the image and the circle so that I can be able to place this down, move this down at the back of the image. Okay, Control T, press enter. So do you see it? This is good. Control S to save. So let's type in the remaining tests. Let me bring in the logo, church logo. So I will give you a link to download everything here so that you use it for your own lesson. Okay, this is good. Control S to save. Let's type in the text. Church of Worldwide. Control T, enter. Let me change the font to a better one. Control T, press enter. Keep it here. Worldwide. So let's type this present. Control T, enter. Let's change the font style. Let me use this. I think this is simple. Yes, okay, let me find a simple font. Okay, I think this Bonita is better. The one I used on the spiritual. Control S to save. So let's type in the last test, I think. Move this up. Take this up. Logo up. Control T. Reduce the size. So let me work on this image. Part of this image is showing. So let me clean it. still grab your brush tool and clean it. Okay, so this is it. Control S to save. So let's type in the text. Discover your purpose and divine calling in community. Okay, Control T. So change this to Nessa bold. Control T, enter. Control S to save. So let me use a dumb test here. Okay, or is to grab your test tool and drag and drop something like this, then increase the size. Change this to area. Open the text panel and separate all the tests. They are too close. Separate them. I think use bold here. This is good. Okay. Control S to save. So the next is the date. 25th June. Okay, Control T, keep it somewhere here. Then Control J, keep it here and type in the time. Let's say 9 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, Control S to save. So guys, let's summarize the design. Hold Control Shift Alt, then press E. So go to File, Camera Raw. Increase the clarity. Okay. Go to this SSL adjustments. Increase the blue because there is blue on the background. I think that is all. Press OK. Control S to save. So let's save this as image. Go to File, Save As. Select the JPEG. So save it on the desktop. So let's look for this poster portrait. So this is it, guys. Okay, this is it. This will be the end of today's tutorial. If you do not understand anything on the video, you can ask me a question on the comment section. I will attend to your question. And if today is your first time coming to my channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.